It's Kevin here at EyouAgro, bridging farming needs with top-tier netting solutions. Today, I'm excited to take you behind the scenes to discover the production and unique features of our Vineyard Side Netting. For over 2 decades, our factory always focuses on developing and enhancing the quality of our products. Through long-term collaborations with hundreds of vineyards worldwide, we have extensively gathered product insights, continuously improving our production techniques and processes, aiming to offer more comprehensive product services to an increasing number of farms. The Vineyard Side Netting is ingeniously designed to safeguard your grape-bearing vines. Placed on the lateral sides, it offers perfect protection against birds, wasps, and other pests, while ensuring easy access for maintenance. Crafted from 100% virgin high-density polyethylene, our netting is not only durable, but also UV stabilized, ensuring it withstands degradation from sunlight and is effective in temperatures lower than 70 degrees centigrade. Rigorous quality control ensures our products can last for over 5 years in outdoor conditions. Moreover, to minimize any installation hassles, we offer a variety of installation accessories to make the process as smooth as possible. We even provide customization of netting and various accessories based on your specific needs, ensuring your requirements are fully met. At EyouAgro, we're proud to offer a product that not only meets the highest standards of quality, but also addresses the crucial needs of modern vineyards. We aim to be your go-to helper in farming, taking care of any worries you might have. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.